Every year we grow lots of beetroot on the allotment. There's a bowl of it there, ready grated. A few years ago we also planted horseradish. Now the thing about horseradish is once you've planted it, it's there forever. So no matter how much you dig up the roots, it'll keep growing back. So we also have some of it there in the bowl, ready grated as well. Now the reason why we've grated them is because we're going to make a relish, and what we found is that horseradish and beetroot together make an absolutely superb relish, but also it gives us the opportunity to use some of our huge apple stock that we've got. So apples there, and you also need a little bit of onion. So onion in this relish as well, plus some sugar and vinegar, and we're using red wine vinegar in this recipe. So into a preserving pan, add all your ingredients. Oops, sugar looks more like sugar lumps. And the red wine vinegar, and then apply heat and bring it up to the boil. Once it's come to the boil, turn the heat down and let it simmer until it's reduced down in volume by about 30%. Well, the relish has been simmering away for about 2 hours. It's reduced down a bit, not quite 30%, but yeah, it's fine as it is. So it is now ready to go into hot, sterilised jars. So there we have it, 17 jars.